3 steps to manifest money, money, money. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Candice. Thank you so much for being here today. In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 steps to manifest money. Now, this video was requested by a few of you because you are in need of some money, and I get it. I get it. These are hard times right now, and a lot of people aren't working. But that doesn't mean the law of attraction isn't working. You still have the power to create money in your life. What do I call you? All the time. Powerful creators. You are powerful creators. So use your manifestation power to create money. Why not? The first step is the words you speak. Now, you all have heard me say this in almost every video. Affirmations. Affirmations are so key in manifesting money. What are you speaking about yourself and your financial circumstances? I've come up with some great affirmations, so get a piece of paper out and write these down. I welcome money into my life. I am worthy of money coming into my life now. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am a magnet to money. I am wealth, abundance, and prosperity. Alongside these affirmations and others that you come up with that really truly affirm money and prosperity in your life, you also want to have gratitude lists. So list out 5 things you are grateful for. And when I'm manifesting money, I like to show gratitude to the things that cost me money in my life. So I will say things like, I am so grateful for my apartment. I'm so grateful for the food on my table that I get to eat every day. I'm so grateful for the clothes that I get to wear. I'm so grateful that I get to film this video. I have a camera. And it can even be things like, I am so grateful for my vacuum. I'm so grateful for my television. List out the things that you spent money on and list them out as something to be grateful for. So you are going to combine your affirmations and your gratitude list. And these are the words you want to speak over your life. Here is a warning. You have got to stop saying negative things about your financial situation. Stop saying,
I'm so broke, I can never afford this. I can't pay for this, I don't have money.
I hear people joke all the time saying, I'm such a broke. It's not funny. That is you affirming that in your life, so you gotta stop. Have some self-control and tell yourself that you're not going to say those things anymore. You're going to say, I'm abundant. I do have money. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I spend money wisely. So in the word section, you are going to use affirmations and you're going to speak gratitude and use it on a daily basis, even in your conversations with friends and with yourself. The second step is feelings. In this step, you are going to visualize what you desire. And I'm going to give an example as we go, so you can just look here for the example. So write down right now how much money you desire. Say it's $500, or maybe it's $10, maybe it's $5, maybe it's a penny, or maybe it's $1 million. It doesn't matter when it comes to law of attraction, but just write down what you desire, how much money, exactly what you need. Now, under the amount of money you desire, you are going to write down a list of everything you will buy with this money and do it to the cent. You know, if it's, I want this shirt and it's $10.99, write that down. Or I want to pay off my student loans and it's $5,000. Write that down. Write it down in so much detail for the law of attraction to work. You can start making this process super fun by cutting out things in the magazines that you desire to do with the money you are manifesting. So maybe it's a trip to Italy, or maybe it's a new car, maybe it's buying your mom a house, or having enough money to buy your favorite cup of coffee every single day at your local coffee shop. Whatever you desire, you can cut these images out and put them up on a vision board. Another way to visualize the money you desire, you can write out a check. You write out this check and you write it to yourself and you put the exact amount of money. Or maybe it's multiple checks. You have 5 different checks that make your total. This is how I envision my money. Just make it fun for yourself. Make it exciting when manifesting money. And this is the key part when manifesting money in the feeling section. You are going to write down the amount of money you will give to someone else. Say you want to donate to a charity with $100 of this money that you are going to receive from the universe. I think it's so important for us to not only visualize what we desire in our lives, but also visualize how we will use that money to benefit other people, how we will use that money to give to others, to be a blessing for others' lives. So make sure you write that down as well. Now the last step is your thoughts. And in your thoughts, you need to let go. Now this can be the most challenging part of manifestation, but this is actually the most important part, is letting go. Let go of the outcome. Let go of how you will receive this money. Let go of every little detail of this money. You've already written it out. You've already visualized it, and let it be done. You can say at the end, and so it is. And so it is. Because you have already let it go. It's already in the process of being manifested. So there's no reason to worry how you will get this money, when you will get this money. It is already in the process of manifesting into your reality. So let it go. Detach from the outcome. Let it go. And you can let it go by thinking about something else. Stop thinking about the money. Stop thinking about how it will come, when it will come. Think about something else. What I like to do when I'm in the letting go section of manifesting money, I like to call up a friend and see how their day is going. Or I'll watch a really funny film and just get my mind off the money. Or I'll go take a walk and listen to music. Just letting go completely, so I'm not attached to what happens and I'm not trying to be in control of what happens. I'm telling the universe that I trust the universe, that I am at peace with whatever happens, because I know the universe knows what I desire. So all I have to do now is let it go. Okay, this is a great example to sum it all up. You know your birthday. My birthday is May 3rd. I just celebrated. You know when your birthday is. Do you tell the universe, oh, I hope I have a birthday this year. I hope my birthday comes on May 3rd. No, you know with confidence that that is your birthday. You know that day is coming, and you know there's celebration on that day. That is your birthday. You have no doubt. You know that that's your birthday. In the same way, you have to be so confident in what you are desiring and what you're manifesting. You've already said it, and now you need to forget it. So just like your birthday, you know your birthday's coming up. You don't think about your birthday all day, you know, months ahead. You don't think about it all day thinking, oh, I hope my birthday comes. I don't know, it may come this year. No, you know with confidence that your birthday's coming. So know with confidence that the money is on its way to you. The money is coming. The money is on its way. It's coming. It's coming, baby. Powerful creators, it's coming. The money is coming to you. How exciting is that? No, you just gotta rest and let it go. Who cares what happens now, because you already said it. You already said to yourself that this money is yours. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it and you feel encouraged about manifesting money into your life. I know how it feels when you feel like there's no hope and there's no money coming in. I will share those stories in another video, but I remember being so broke and feeling like there was no money coming my way. But I had to change my thoughts, and that's when I became who I am today when I changed my thoughts and my terminology and the way I spoke about my money. I started seeing abundance in my life, and I desire that for you as well. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos and you want to be a part of the Powerful Creators community, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button so that this video is shared to more people in need and who need to be encouraged. I have tons of other videos to give you information about manifestation, law of attraction, and self-development, so keep watching my videos and I hope you really enjoy them. Comment what you've learned from this video, or save this video and come back later and tell me if you manifested money and how it worked for you. I know it will work for you because this is the exact process that I do, and I've seen some big money, big checks come into my life, and it's really awesome to see the abundance, and I want that abundance for you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Have a beautiful day.